Hi, it's Katie Farner, Director for Team Sunshine State Superstars. Today is June 1st, and it is officially the premiere of our Join in June special. So as Scentsy family consultants, what does this mean for us? This is a huge deal. Not only is this a great deal for new team members who are joining, earning the Shooting Star, and getting the Shooting Star Enhancement Kit completely free, but it's also a great opportunity for us as consultants because we're working on earning the Can Do Cancun incentive. So if Scentsy is releasing a promotion that encourages people to join and encourages them to get to the 500 in PRV, that's getting new recruits who are active and getting really close to the certified mark. So it won't be so difficult for us to get them to the certified mark. So we should be super grateful to Scentsy because this is a really exciting opportunity for new recruits and for us as existing consultants. So just to catch you up and make sure you understand what Join in June is all about, Join in June is any consultant who joins the Scentsy or Velada team. They have from June 1st through the end of the month to join, and if they join in the month of June and earn the Shooting Star Award, the Shooting Star Enhancement Kit that is normally $200 in PRV, $300 worth of product for $200 in PRV, they normally purchased it for $200 in PRV, they get it completely free. So it is a huge deal. That Shooting Star Enhancement Kit is amazing, and to get it for free is even more exciting. I mean, the $200 is a great deal in itself because they get paid on it, but now they get it for free. $300 worth of product for free. It's a huge deal. So make sure that you are going through, if you call it your blessing books, like our Superstar Director Jeanette calls it. She calls it her blessing book. If you write potential recruits down in your blessing book, or like me, you keep track of it on your phone, however you track your potential recruits, make sure that you go through that list and contact every single person who you have talked to in the last year, 2 years, who's shown even the tiniest bit of interest in joining Scentsy or Velada, and let them know about this amazing opportunity. They can easily get $500 in orders, especially if they know they're going to get $300 worth of product for free. So reach out to everyone who's even shown the littlest bit of interest. Also, any parties that you have scheduled this month, home or basket, this is an incredible opportunity for hostess flipping. Flip them that party, gift them that party, and they are going to get, if they have a $500 party with us, they are going to get their kit money back. The $100 starter kit, they're going to get that money back 100% from having a $500 first party. Plus, they're going to get $300 in free product credit. It's really a no-brainer, and absolutely you are going to get some recruits out of this because it's an incredible, incredible opportunity. I don't know who could say no to that. So make sure that you are offering hostess flipping or hostess gifting, whatever you like to call it, to every single hostess you have in the month of June. I don't know who would pass up on this amazing opportunity. Thanks for watching this video. Good luck. Let's make it the best June ever for recruits. I mean, my goal is to recruit 5 people this month. This is an amazing offer, and I am going to take advantage of it, and I hope you are going to as well. I'll catch you guys next time. Have a super awesome day.